So this is part B of a video on arrays, and where I left off, we were just talking about two-dimensional arrays, and I just initialized this two-dimensional array called grid, and what I'm doing is I'm looping over, first of all, the lines in the grid and then the numbers in the line. So when I run this program, it looks like this, and it's going to simply get each number and print it out one by one. So something I might do here is make it so that it prints on the same line. So to do this, at least in CodeSculptor, just need an empty comma at the end, and then something else to kind of make it a bit more kind of representative of what the data is in the program. I might also need to print a blank line like this. So if I print it now, I get my grid of arrays. So quite annoyingly, I've got a space before the first one. In essence, so what an array is for storing multiple items of data in a single variable. And 2D arrays allow you to store data in 2 dimensions. And the main example of this, mainly used to represent grids. So as I say, you only have to have a kind of brief understanding of this. And one last thing I would talk about, if I wanted to access a specific thing, for example, the middle value, the way that I would do this is, first of all, print, and then I'm going to take grid, and I'm looking for row number 1. So this is row 0. Let me just annotate this for you. Row 0, row 1, row 2, because the 2D array is made up of kind of subarrays. And to get the middle value, I'd then also put a 1. So what this means is go to row 1, and inside row 1 find not item 0, but item 1. Okay, so this hopefully, let me change it to something so it's a bit easier to distinguish. So if I make it 100, hopefully this code should just output 100. Okay, so hopefully after watching this, you now have an understanding of how you program with 1-dimensional and 2-dimensional arrays, and you're aware of how this concept might arise in your kind of 2016 exam paper.